What is going on, guys? My name is John Nieves. I'll be taking over for Jamie for this particular unboxing. And a few days ago, Xiaomi officially announced the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A for the Philippines. And at the end of that announcement, they had a surprise. The availability of their current flagship, the Mi 8, in the Philippine market. Now, the phone drops on July 30, and we managed to get ourselves a retail box straight from China to unbox for you guys, so you know exactly what you're getting when you buy the Mi 8 at the end of the month. Before we begin this video, guys, please like and subscribe. It really does help us a lot. And if you want to know when exactly the next video drops, just click on that notification bell so you get that sweet alert as soon as we publish a new video. One thing that most people will immediately notice about the Mi 8 is that it looks a lot like an iPhone X. The overall design, the two vertically stacked cameras, even the notch in the front, all scream iPhone X. But to be fair to Xiaomi, they're not the only one that's taking design inspirations from Apple. That being said, the Mi 8 feels extremely nice in the hands. The glass back of the phone really looks premium. It definitely looks more expensive than the $25,990 starting price of this particular phone. Going around the device, you will see the fingerprint scanner on the rear alongside the vertically stacked camera module. On the left side, you will see the power button and the volume rocker. On the bottom, you will see the USB Type-C charging port, which is flanked by two speaker grills. Obviously, the phone does not have a 3.5mm jack, so you will have to use that included dongle in the box if you want to use your wired headphones when you're using the Mi 8. On the front, you will see the 6.21-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has a notch on the top, much like most Android phones nowadays. The difference is there's actually an IR camera that's embedded in that notch since it's bigger than normal, so the phone will be able to read your face even in the dark. Also, what's nice about that notch is that you can actually turn it off by putting black bars on either side if you really don't like it. So the two cameras are composed of two 12 megapixel sensors. One has an f1.8 aperture, the other has an f2.4 aperture. One is for general camera use and the other has a 2x optical zoom. The camera has AI capabilities which tweaks the saturation, contrast, and all that good stuff to match whatever you're shooting at. Of course, the main highlight of the phone is that it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor. That is a flagship processor that's paired with 6GB of RAM for the Philippine version. Now, there's two versions of the phone that will be available to buy. One is 64GB, the other is 128GB. There is no 8GB version available as of yet. Xiaomi has not said anything about that, so you will have to wait if you want the really top spec version. Because of the processor, the Xiaomi Mi 8 feels really quick in our hands. It's definitely a top tier phone. Despite having a very affordable price tag for a flagship, we did not see any kind of slowdown while we were using the Mi 8 with our limited time with it. It has a very good Antutu score and all of the things that are associated with a flagship phone. The Mi 8 definitely is a device that you should be watching out for if you want a flagship experience without breaking the bank. So the Mi 8 will be launching at the end of the month for $25,990 for the basic 6GB, 64GB version. The more expensive 6GB, 128GB version is priced at $27,990. That is it for this unboxing and quick review. We will be reviewing the Mi 8 and giving you our full unbiased take on that particular phone in the next few weeks. Thank you very much, Unbox. Peace out.